Everyone keeps talking about the AI boom, but most investors still don't realize how early we actually are. Artificial intelligence is becoming the most powerful technology shift since the internet. Just like the early internet, the biggest gains often go to the companies building the infrastructure behind it. Today, we're breaking down several AI stocks that many investors believe could see massive growth through 2026 and beyond. But before we jump in, every week, we're giving away $250 to one subscriber. Make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and comment below with the stock or crypto you're most bullish on to enter. Let's start with the company that has become the engine powering the AI revolution, Nvidia. Nvidia produces the GPUs used to train artificial intelligence models. From ChatGPT to autonomous vehicles to massive data centers, Nvidia's chips are powering a huge portion of the AI industry. Demand for these chips has exploded as companies race to build larger and more powerful AI models. Even after massive growth, many analysts still believe Nvidia could remain crucial for the AI economy for the next decade. Next is Microsoft, which has quietly positioned itself at the center of the AI ecosystem through its partnership with OpenAI. Microsoft is integrating AI tools across its entire software stack, from Office copilots to Azure infrastructure. If AI continues transforming business operations, Microsoft could remain one of the biggest long-term winners. Another company to watch is Amazon, where the real powerhouse is Amazon Web Services. AI development requires enormous amounts of cloud infrastructure, and AWS is one of the largest platforms in the world. As more companies build AI models, demand for computing power keeps rising, which could drive huge growth for Amazon. One stock generating attention recently is Palantir, focused on data analytics and AI-driven decision platforms. Their software helps analyze massive data sets and convert them into actionable insights for governments and corporations. As industries rely more on AI to make strategic decisions, Palantir's technology could become extremely valuable across sectors. Now, the big picture. The AI revolution isn't just one company or one product. It's an entire technological ecosystem. There are companies building chips, cloud infrastructure, software, and applications, and smart investors spread exposure across multiple layers. Just like the early internet created Amazon, Google, and Facebook, the AI era could produce the next generation of trillion-dollar companies. The challenge is identifying them early before the hype cycle pushes prices much higher. That's why investors worldwide are paying close attention to companies building the AI foundation today. If you want a chance to win the 250th subscriber giveaway, make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and comment below with the investment you think could explode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.